What's going on, everyone? Ty here from BMW Bridgeport. Today, we're going to be using this X3 to go over the basics of the My BMW app. As technology continues to advance, it's very important that we all know how these apps work and how you're going to use them every day with your BMW. So, follow along and let's get into it. If I had to summarize it, the My BMW app is a great way to keep track of your vehicle as well as access any remote services available to it. The app itself is not new. It's available for any BMW from 2014 and up. However, as technology has progressed, there are a lot more features available within the app now. So the first feature I want to talk about today is the one that most people want the app for, and that is remote start. That's right, you can remote start your BMW from anywhere in the world, as long as you have connection to the car. Now, the advantage over doing it from the key is that the phone has the range from anywhere, where the key is just the range of the key. So, my best example that I like to give is maybe you're on the beach with some friends, and you don't want to walk back to a sauna. Remote start it from your phone right from the beach before you leave. The car will run for up to 15 minutes after starting it. Don't worry, no one will be able to steer your car while it's running from remote start. Once it's running, you still have to go to the car and unlock it with the key. And once you get in the car, you still have to start it the way you normally would. Foot on the brake, keys in the car, press the start button. Now, I'm good to drive off. There are many other cool features available on the app. You can lock and unlock the car, beep the horn, turn on the lights, and even see the location of the car at all times viewable on the map. You can even generate a 3D remote view of the car if it's properly equipped. Furthermore, you can see service centers, see the vehicle info, set service appointments, and even access financial services. Each driver profile memorizes everything set by that driver, from the safety systems to the radio presets and the seat position. It even memorizes the color of the ambient lighting. So, I'd love to spend hours going over all the little details of the app, but really, I just wanted to give you a nice introduction to show you just how much the My BMW app is capable of. Stay tuned for some more videos in the future on different features of the app, as well as some vehicle-specific features, like the all-new iX and i4. We'll see you soon.